morning. Happy day 35. Today is competition day, so it's gonna be weird, but we're gonna make it happen. Ginger, lemon, and turmeric.
Be quiet, Mommy's making a video.
Daddy always singing. I seen a meme the other day and it was like, he doesn't love you if he doesn't randomly sing around you. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm good.
Mom, I'm taking everything off and look.
My lips are like on fire. You put everything bagel in there?
I sure did.
We're gonna go be mad. We don't like change.
Should have been daddy. It's good today.
Go down there. Look at her face.
What?
Look at her face.
I can hear you. And Mom, and now I'm not gonna have no more blood in my body.
You're not gonna bleed out.
Look,
It's just a cut.
This.
Making my shake.
Mom.
Same one I make every morning. Brooklyn cut her foot and she thinks she's about to bleed out. It's not even bleeding. It's not even bleeding. I don't know why it didn't show me making this, but
Nothing.
you know, it's the same one I make every morning. Miss Daddy's making them 3 eggs and cinnamon toast. Let me drink my shake. Put ice in this and then take my Melissa shot. Melissa shot. I got a Melissa too. Cheers. It's competition day. It's competition day. We're here. We're walking in.
Hey, I'm about to punch you.
She's nervous, so she's mean. No, she's mean all the time.
She's always mean. No, I'm not.
Get some more, girl.
That was a good one.
Competition is, look at my nail. My kid's grandfather, I was saying my kid's grandfather ripped my nail. It hurt so bad. And the only thing we had was tape, so I taped it up. But anyways, she got first place again. 3 times first place this season. It's over, we're done. And she wanted to celebrate by eating her favorite food. Of course, you see, so I'm here. I already ate, they're still eating. And I had 1 cheese stick. What did I have? I had 1 cheese stick, I had a pepperoni pizza, and I had a veggie pizza. And They're still eating. I'm waiting for them to finish. Probably gonna go get a cinnamon roll.
I swear I just saw pepperoni. Where'd it go? Who just went over
Yeah, I'm
there?
probably gonna go get a cinnamon roll, and then that'll be it for me for the whole night. And I'm going to put all of it inside of my Fitness Pal because obviously I still want, even though I'm treating myself with pizza, I'm going to stay under my calorie count for the day. So everything at CC's is already like loaded into that app, so I don't even have to do it myself. All the calories are there, so I know what I'm eating. But I'm still being good even though I'm here. So yeah, that's that. I will see y'all when I get home. Hello, beautiful people. Yes, I'm sitting on the counter with my daughter and my husband. We're chilling. He's growing his beard out.
Give him a kiss.
She's gonna knock it over. Crazy, long, entertaining day. Cheers. My daughter made my shake and she didn't stir it. Look at all this syrup in the bottom. This one doesn't stick to the cup, so it just seeps to the bottom.
It looked weird.
Yeah.
I was like, this does not look like what mommy does it. I was doing it like you do it, and it didn't look right. But I just thought
She's learning.
I'm sorry.
It was a thought that counts. Thank you, Cadence. Appreciate you. Look at my finger. That's so ghetto.
I'm running your finger right now.
I don't know my nail before I was violated.
What you laughing
I
at?
have to cut that out. Now it's time. Oh wait, no. Before those, I didn't take this one today.
I need a haircut.
You're growing your beard out.
Still. I need a haircut though. Ooh. Yeah.
He's checking himself out. I'm not taking this one because
That's what?
it's 10 o'clock and I don't need energy.
Why not?
Because I have enough energy.
Hey!
Multi I'm taking right now. If you guys like my vlogs, you should totally share them so more people can see them. Just saying.
You talking to me?
No, I was talking to the vlog.
Oh. Yeah, y'all should share these reels.
It's not a story.
Oh, it's the vlog.
What? You need to go to bed.
I do.
You spent too many hours with the kids today.
Man, you don't understand. Well, I guess you do.
I don't understand.
Yeah, you get it.
Because I told you we were dating.
Yeah.
Go get clips.
But you still.
Oh my god, I totally have to take that out of the vlog. Would you like some super greens? I think I just found a new filter. We're not having this conversation on the vlog. No, this is a food, my new filter. Look how fantastic it makes you look.
We need to start a new vlog so we can talk about it.
My husband wants to talk stuff on here.
And we're gonna create a
It's
vlog,
a food vlog.
but we're gonna create another one called Let's Talk About It, and then we can go live.
Like the red table.
Yeah.
I love this filter.
It
You
don't
look
make-
pretty.
It don't make you look. You're pretty without a filter. You don't need a filter to be pretty.
This filter is so pretty. Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I'd be looking busted without a filter.
Negative.
These are like candy. My multi's done. Super grains are done. I'm drinking the shake.
Can I have some?
Were you about to take my shake?
I want some.
I found a new filter. And
You're so tickled about your new filters.
I love this filter. It's like it airbrushes you. Even my makeup. Look at my makeup. It airbrushed my makeup. Hey girl.
Yeah, it could be in a magazine.
I'm going to take my treatment and wash my face. We cleaned up. The babies just fell asleep while we was hiding in the kitchen. Tomorrow's the beginning of another week. And I can't go to the gym tomorrow because AJ. A booger is all over his face and hands. I know. I don't know how to make it go away. I need to go to the gym. Brooklyn told me not to go to the gym, do lunges across the house. Alright guys, that's it for day. What even is today? Day 25? It's day 25. I don't know. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. And don't forget to check the description to this video for my link tree so you can order from Amazon all the stuff that you guys have been asking for. That's it. See you guys on the next video.